Guys, think about this. If you had to tell the police what a bad guy looked like, could you do it? In English?
Oh, wait, he is bad? I don't know.
Exactly. That's the problem. Hey everyone, welcome to English Pod Center. I'm Luna.
And I'm Lucas, and I am, really bad at this.
So, let's learn how to do it. Let's describe people step by step.
Yeah, because if I see a bad guy, I want to tell the police.
Right. So first, we look at the body. Is the person big or small?
Oh, tall?
Yes, tall. Or what is the opposite?
Short.
Exactly, tall and short. Lucas, are you tall or short?
I am short.
No, you are not short. You are normal, average.
Average. Okay, average, that is a good word.
But wait, we use the verb to be. I am tall, he is short.
Right. He is short, she is tall. Easy.
But what about hair? Do we say he is black hair?
Wait, yes, he is black hair?
No, you are not hair. You have hair.
Oh, aha, I have black hair. He has black hair.
Yeah, see, to have is for hair and eyes.
Okay. Let me try. The bad guy has red hair.
Good, red hair. And what about his eyes?
He has blue eyes.
Perfect. And remember, color first, then the word hair or eyes.
Like a blue car. Blue eyes.
Yes, literally like that. Color always comes first.
Wait, so I cannot say eyes blue?
No. Blue eyes. Long hair, short hair.
Long hair. Yes. Or what if he has no hair?
Oh, good question. If he has no hair, he is bald.
Bald. B-A-L-D?
Yep. And for that, we go back to be. He is bald.
Oh man, he has hair, but he is bald. That is weird.
Yeah, English is crazy sometimes.
It is. So let me think. The bad guy is tall. He is bald.
Good.
And he has, does he have a beard?
A beard, yes, hair on the face. He has a beard.
He has a beard. Okay. What about age, like young or old?
Yes, young and old. Again, used to be. He is old.
He is old, like my grandpa.
Exactly. So let's practice. I will describe a famous person.
Oh, a game. I love games. Okay, tell me.
Okay, he is very tall.
Okay, very tall.
He is old.
Tall and old.
He has white hair, and he has a big white beard.
Wait, does he have red clothes?
Yes. Santa Claus. Yes, Santa Claus. See, you did it.
Wow, that was easy. He is tall, he is old, he has a white beard.
Exactly. Now, guys listening, look at a friend right now.
Yeah, look at your friend.
Try to describe them. Do they have brown eyes? Are they tall?
Say it in your head, just 3 words.
Yes, practice makes perfect.
This is great. I can tell the police about the bad guy now.
I hope you never see a bad guy, Lucas.
Yeah, me too, actually.
Well, that is all for today. Please subscribe to English Pod Center for more easy lessons.
Bye, guys. See you next time.